We put a great amount of effort into keeping our bodies healthy. But what about the health of our machines? We know there will always be some level of bacteria in our hands, no matter how much we wash and sanitize. And that's okay. But we still want to do our best to get as much of the bacteria off as we can. Just like the bacteria on our hands, we know there will always be some level of particulates in our lubricants. And that's okay. But we also want to be sure to take the proper measures to keep these particulates at an acceptable level in order to prevent the wearing of machine components. Ready to learn more? Check out our webinar on demand, Understanding Particle Counts and Setting Target ISO Codes, and learn how to better understand particle counts, the differences between the methods of measurement, how to understand test results and changes in data, and ISO cleanliness targets. Test oil, remarkable in every way.